This 5-minute solution will show you how to block somebody on LinkedIn from phone. So follow this step-by-step guide to block someone on LinkedIn from iOS or Android device. First of all, launch the LinkedIn app and tap on My Network. And now from here you can open the profile you want to block. Then tap on this three dot. Tap on Report or Block. Tap on Block. Tap on Block. And this is how we can block somebody on LinkedIn from phone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.